welcome back, one and all. I believe there's a little bit of an apology in order. I'm terribly sorry for the recent delays in content. You see, work has become brutal. I mean, hell, yesterday I had about a 13-hour day. Now, this is not completely unheard of where I live, but it does make me feel bad for not delivering more content to all of you. So, for that, I do apologize most profusely. Well, our plant manager got fired. Hell yes. Replaced with our night supervisor. Easily one of the most qualified people I've ever met in my life. Easily 2 decades of experience in my particular industry. And a guy we all respect. But unfortunately, due to the lack of respect of the last guy, we're all having to bust our asses in the most insane ways in order to get our job completed and bring our numbers, our metrics, back up to a more acceptable range within the given parameters. So due to that, and the recent request of Dave of DBS Tech Talk to retask and put more of my efforts onto his HE560s, which I'll be recording today, the review, so I can send them back and he can use them with some devices he has on loan from iFi. So, I'm sorry for, what has it been, 3 weeks almost, with no content? I do hope you'll all forgive me, but understand that I do work for a living in a terribly dangerous job. Well, that's a bit of a stretch. In a relativistically dangerous job, depending on how stupid you are, I suppose. So, yes, content will be a little bit of a slog in the coming months. We're hoping as the next 1 to 2 months play on, things will get substantially better and hit a sense of normalcy. And, turn down the volume, sorry. So, without further ado, there was a subscriber that gave me a care package. I actually guessed right on one of the contents of this package. Cakuma, thank you very much for this gift. This means a lot to me. And also, recently, I was sent a set of IEMs for review purposes. It's not the cable it comes with, but it's the TRN IM2. The review on these will be coming within relativistically short order. Good things are coming, my children. Wonderful good things are coming. I can most assuredly say this. But, without further ado, let's get into the box Cakuma sent me. So I was told some bits and bobs and a few gubbins. So I guess we'll, see what else is in order. Oh, good lord, this is a big box. Cakuma, why did you do this? Wait, why am I complaining? Thank you, Cakuma, for doing this. I hope all of you have been doing well, by the way, regardless of the fact that work for me has been a bit of a slog. And I'm kind of biding time while I open this package. Let's see. We have... Okay. Oh, righteous! Oh, right. Shit. Okay, so we have some patch cables, some XLR 3-pin male to female. I mean, I did say patch cables, but yes. Thank you. Ooh, that's a nice little, feels good. Solid body. Looks like, probably cast aluminum. More than likely. Good stuff, standard stuff. Not terribly expensive, I would imagine. At least, good lord, I would hope he didn't give me anything terribly expensive. I don't know if that's actually what's in here. Given the other thing that I was told was going to be in the box... You son of a bitch. Cakuma! Sorry, that was probably very loud. Oh, wait, I think I remember. I think you wanted me to mod these, now that I recall. Or tweak them? I'll ask him. I will multitask. Dash X. There we go, and I'll get a response, and then I will be able to say, you know, one way or the other, mid-video. Okay, we're back. He's in no rush and says to test him. Thank God. I mean, it's not that I don't want them. I actually was looking into some used sets, but, he says he's not in a rush, so test them, mod them. If they break, it's okay. Well, I'll be most gentle with them. I've done it before with my set. And besides, if it comes down to me breaking them, I'm replacing them, although it might be a used set. Alright, next in the box is... these are the IEMs I was told about. Oh, I should probably get this just a little bit lower, so I can make sure I'm, able to keep the autofocus in check. Little bastard took my glove. There we go. Alrighty, now we have a proper backdrop. And the gamma can be, the ISO, and all the other auto-correcting features that I try not to use too much of. These are the Audio-Technica LS400IS. These are a 4BA IEM with a proprietary connector. I don't remember the name of it, but it is an Audio-Technica proprietary. It's essentially still a micro BNC, or they call it something different with different science mumbo-jumbo and jargon, but essentially it's still a BNC. It's a micro MMCX flavor, delineation type thing. For those of you that don't know, that's why I was freaking out. Those things are not cheap, even to this day. And he's just giving them to me. He said he didn't like him that much and wanted my input. Something from Sun Guy. I think I know what these are. Ooh, yes, some more lovely cables. This is a FIO cable. I don't exactly know what type, other than it is silver. And is that... No, it looks like it, but I don't think this is the jack you can just knock off and then replace with different types. This looks to be probably something similar to the T2 cable, from the looks of it. Which works for me, because it's quite honestly a really nice cable. 8 cores, 4 per side. Yes, there's the tin hi-fi little thingy. This, I don't know if it's a LITS cable or not. It has the stranding of it. I don't know. I'll investigate into it later, but it's a beautiful, perfect left-right delineation. So either AudioSense learned from FIO, or FIO learned from AudioSense. I'm going to go with the former, given the approximate age of the companies. Let's see. There's... Okay, that's not coming out. Let's see. BGVP box. What's inside? A saucer, a case. Looks like faux leather, made to look and feel like carbon fiber. The BGVP IEM cable. Ooh, I do like more good copper. Ooh, look at that left-right delineation. Yeah, it's a good shit right there. MMCX connectors, all of them so far. Just aggressive enough of the memory sleeving. Beautiful left-right delineation. Nice and slim jack housing. Ooh, Cakuma, you spoil me, you filthy little bastard. Thank you. Oh, for those of you that, no, you know what, I'm not going to say that. I don't know if I've been given permission just yet. I love boxes, especially boxes you can open back up easily. This is going to get used for so many things. Cables, tips, I mean, you name it, really. This is why that other thing. I'm over here. I don't know what's in here either. A lot of this is a surprise, to be honest. Oh, you slick little shit. Ah, look at that. I had a sort of a get-a-rig DIY solution for this. But I'll be damned. A nice headphone stand. Ah, hooray. Happy headphones. Happy headphones indeed. Oh, looks like I'm gonna have to rebend that again. Yes, I bent these. They put a lot of pressure on the noggin. Thank you! I've been needing an actual headphone stand. Hopefully in this paycheck I'll actually be able to buy myself a new triple or quad monitor mount. An arm style. And, a new desk, so I'll have more real estate to work with here. Then I can actually have this on my desk, and oh, it looks so pretty. Ah, thank you, little friend. Let's see, that's padding. And there's this. I have no idea what this. Ooh, it's Slikey News. Oh, it's completely unsealed. Unsealed? Unused. Sealed. English is hard. I had a very long day. So do forgive me. Crinkly crackly, plastic wrappy. Oh, yes indeed. HyperX Fury S Pro Gaming Mousepad. The Beast de Soris? I actually don't speak whatever that language is. I don't know if it's Spanish or not. I thought it was at first, but might not be. Cloth material, dimensions 900mm by 400mm. The thickness is 400mm. Hooray. You know, I've actually wanted to see how big these actually are in person, and now I get to. Cakuma, you spoil me. Oh shit. Oh shit. Remember when I said I was a size wizard? Hold on, gotta stand. Me chonglers, don't look at me chonglers. For reference, that's my hand. Black on black, that was a bad example. Yeah, it's that big. It's a full size. Like big boy, big Bubba size. This is going to get so much damn use, Kuma, you have no idea. Although I am totally screwing myself for backdrops here. Because now I still have black. But I can get rid of my, black web from Walmart that I paid like $5 for. Little plus size mat. One of the larger regular size mats. I'm totally distracting you from me rolling this up and failing miserably. Shit, fuck, hell, damn, that's a long video, fuck. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to, test out the IEMs. Hello, and we're back. That was a little bit of a listen. Interesting sound. You see the cables there. I had forgotten that I mentioned that this is a proprietary jack, but, God, that is a nice, snug snap of a connection. They did that right. I don't exactly like the actual memory wire, but it does keep it out of my way once I've set it, then I can forget it. Initially, it's very warm. A lot of the details are missing due to not details are missing, It's very warm. It's warm personified, and it tells me that BAs can totally rumble like a beast. The fit is strange. All in all, not bad. So far, with just listening to several songs on it, it is warm personified. Really nice. I'll be playing with these cables probably tomorrow at work. Thank you, Cakuma. Very much appreciated. This is a wonderful thing you have done for me, and it means a lot. Thank you so very much. Well, that concludes this rather entirely way too long recording for an unboxing. Please do feel free to join the Discord. Come by. You'll never know who you find or who you'll be able to talk to. I like responding whenever I get the time, so do feel free to ask me any question you like. Link to the Discord will be down below. If you want to do the rest of this stuff, please feel free. I won't ask because I don't... It's not that I don't care, honestly. I find it annoying in some of the videos. I don't blame YouTubers for doing it, but I'm not trying to make a career out of this. I'm doing this for fun, because I think the community is worth it. I think it's worth my time. So that is where that's coming from. So, yes, that concludes this. Have a wonderful day, a beautiful afternoon, and a lovely evening, and may you have pleasant, lovely rest, and may you travel far and wide in your dreams, my children, so long as you come back to see me again soon, the great wizard, Farsil. Poof.